Hey everybody, this is my intro into the small scale group build that is hosted by Sean over at the Scale Model Car Guide channel, and BG, Brian, and so they're hosting a small scale group build. I've had these kits for a couple years now. I've been wanting to build them. I think maybe on one of them a couple pieces are glued together, but they haven't really been started. They are, what the hell brand is it? Owners Club, or that ARII plastic model brand. They're all those. They had these kits for a long while back, and then they did a little relaunch of it being the Grand Prix kits. So all they did was put decals in it. They didn't do anything else. So I wanted to make these three kits into a little bit of a diorama. But they're 1/32 scale. They're already small cars, and then they're 1/32 scale, so they're even smaller now. But let's open up the boxes and do a little look-see. So this one is, I think it's a Mazda. Yeah, it's Mazda, you barely can see it. But it's the R360. From the box, everything's pretty much in Japanese. It's a 400cc motor. But look how small that thing is. So I like to build a diorama with what the plan was having them all racing each other on a track and having a diorama. This is all that's been done. I gotta take that all apart anyhow. I was just test fitting it. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's done. But in the kit has some fender flares, steering wheel, exhaust pipes, hubcaps, another steering wheel, the dash, door cards. There's the front seats. Back seat. And then the glass, and I think decals on this plastic here. There's the decals for that one. So on the sheet, a lot of it is in Japanese, so I might have to use my translator on my phone. They got an app that you just look at it on the phone and it'll translate it. Now that piece shows it looks like there's a mesh, but there isn't. So I have to look up some reference pictures and that and get a color pattern. I know they're pretty dull color patterns for these style cars back then. But it looks like the only thing I glued in there, I don't think it goes this piece here. Everything else is just sitting in there. There's no mortar detail. There's just some detail on the bottom. So they're very plain kit. So that's one of them. This one is the another Mazda. It's another 400cc. Don't know which one it is. I have to look it up. Mazda Carroll Racing. So this one, the roof's, it's a two-tone paint job. Did the same thing. I just wanted to see how they sat. But there's some panel lines that need sanded off. There's the rest. And the decals. And this is the Subaru 360 Racing. So I'll have to figure out what colors to make them. I don't think I messed at all with this one. There's a lot of sanding that needs to happen, so I'll probably start with just cleaning up the bodies. Everything. Got some big fender flares for it. Decal sheet. Well, like I said, I wanted to take these ones, make a little racing scene, and like that. And today I think we end up getting about probably 20 inches of snow today. Everywhere around here has actually got closed. I had a level 3 and all that, so a lot of people didn't work. I didn't work. I get tomorrow off as well, so it'll be a good start at that. Been doing a little bit of model building today. A lot of decals. In between building models I've been shoveling snow, so I've had to do it twice today. Sure I might have to do it once or twice tomorrow. So nice 4-day weekend thanks to the snow. I'm glad we got more snow than rain. Once that stuff starts freezing and sticking on everything, it could be a real problem. So people are getting that freezing rain. Hopefully you're doing alright. Hopefully power stays on. So stay inside. Enjoy some model building. Until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.